Creating content consistently is hard. Trust me, when your ideas live across Slack messages, docs, voice notes, ChatGPT, Claude, and random tabs, your content quickly becomes a bottleneck. Not because we lack creativity, but because there's no workflow structure behind what we are doing. And that's why I built an automated content pipeline built using Airtable and Claude. In Airtable, we have the structure, and with Claude, we're able to think freely. Now, instead of chasing drafts and scattered ideas, topics get captured in one place, AI drafts content automatically, posts can be repurposed across channels, reviews and approvals stay organized, and everything moves through a clear pipeline. Hey there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and we have helped hundreds of businesses streamline and automate their operations using industry-leading portals, apps, and integrations. In this video, I want to share with you a content pipeline that generates content on its own. Well, not entirely, but it is a system where ideas can move from concept to draft to approval to published without the usual chaos or huge lift. How? Well, I connected Claude directly into Airtable and turned a content workflow into a structured automation pipeline. Claude is where I think, Airtable is where I do. So firstly, how easy is it to connect Airtable to Claude? Well, all we need to do is jump into our connectors. And you'll see that by selecting that plus icon within your Claude prompt, and then select Add Connector. Search for Airtable, select it, authorize, and finish the setup. I created another video on how to build Airtable databases with Claude, and that goes deeper into the actual setup process, so if you want to, check that out here. We can see that we have successfully verified and connected to Airtable. What this does is it allows Claude to then work with and interpret the data that lives in our Airtable bases. And now I have this content strategy agent that can manage my entire content pipeline. And this is where the workflow becomes more than just an AI-generated blah. So the process actually starts over here in Claude. This is where I do the ideation work, researching trends, exploring content angles, validating whether a topic is actually worthwhile, and figuring out how we can talk about this from our own perspective. Then once we land with a strong direction and a validated intent, we move over into Airtable. And this is where the structure matters, because inside Airtable, every piece of content moves through a defined pipeline. That's the workflow system. Ideation, validation, scripting, recording, editing, publishing, and repurposing. Each stage has its own automations, filled prompts, and outputs connected to it. For example, during the ideation stage, we're working with Claude to come up with a piece of content that suits us. So here in Claude, we're actually going to automate this video you're watching right now. I've asked Claude, we need to come up with a video on business process, automating content, specifically connecting Airtable and Claude to build out a content pipeline. So we're going to nail down the angle. Who is this for? You, I hope, watching. That will be general business operators, solo content creators, agency owners. Let's take general business operators for now. What's the core hook? Content creation takes too long. Output is inconsistent. Scaling content without hiring right. Let's go with content creation takes too long. It's a bottleneck. What should the video actually show? Full walkthrough, concept and demo. Let's go with that. Okay, so I've been working with Claude for the past 10, 15 minutes, and we've come up with 5 solid topic ideas. We've then validated those ideas through search intent and looking at things like Reddit forums and Airtable resources. And what we need to do now is actually use these ideas and move them into our Airtable system, which is really easy with Claude because we've actually connected our Airtable base. And here we have that Airtable system. So we're currently in interfaces, but let's look at the structure behind it. We've got our content creators, content ideas. We see these both in grid and in gallery view. We've got the videos, those currently in the pipeline, and we've got our blog posts. We're repurposing some of this content into a blog post, and you guessed it, we can use AI or Claude to get that done. Now, what we need to do is actually bring those ideas over into our content ideas. So I've got a simple prompt, time to add those ideas to our ideas table in the content pipeline. Claude's then going to load the tools, load the results. And because Claude has access to our Airtable base, it's gone ahead and it's imported those content ideas into our content ideas table. Because it understands the structure of Airtable, it's able to do that. So let's jump in and see if we can see those in our pipeline. Here we can see we've got those batch filming. I believe if we scroll, yep, there we go. We've got the source, which is coming in automatically as Claude plus Airtable research session, which was this particular session with Claude. Then once we actually move one of these ideas to approved for video, It's going to appear in our videos table, and we can then begin the scripting and the briefing generation process. But you're probably sitting there thinking, okay, that's awesome. That's going to save me a lot of time, but do I have to jump in with Claude and do this manually? No, because you're connected to Airtable, you can actually trigger a scheduled session with Claude to happen automatically, so that every Monday you come into work and you see that you've got 5 new content ideas, but you never had that conversation with Claude. And that's the real power of this connection between Airtable and Claude. It can go both ways. We've got a fully looped content pipeline. So let's put our money where our mouth is. We've jumped into our ideas table, and let's actually go to Kanban. We're going to actually bring one of these ideas into the scripting stage. So what do we have? Use Claude, stop paying for Airtable AI. Let's go with this. We're going to move it into approved for video, and our automations in the back end that will create a new video record. Here we can see stop paying for Airtable AI. So if we open this, there we can see we've got a description that was brought in by Claude originally. We've got the script content, which was generated by Airtable's AI. There we go. We've got an intro, a hook, the section, cost comparison, output quality, setup tutorial, pain points. We've got a full video script here. We've also got the brief that has been generated, the video title, the format, objective, target audience, key messages. And the reason that our script and brief generation is of the quality that we see is because we were able to prompt Claude earlier on. We wanted to understand the business pain points. We wanted to understand what people were talking about in Reddit forums. So I will let you know that the prompts you give Claude and, of course, Airtable AI when you use it are so important. And that is actually going to qualify the quality of content that you receive back. Now you can take Claude, Airtable, and AI further in your workflows. You could have it generate your thumbnail design. You could have it edit your video. Now, the script generation and the brief generation we saw was done by Airtable's native AI, and it does a good job. We can see here that we're able to include both a prompt as well as the information from our system. But you could take this further, because you have the ability to connect Airtable with other platforms, specifically with Claude. So you could actually plug Claude into this and you would get a better output. This would be especially helpful in the instance of creating blog posts from published videos. Once you have a video that's been published to your YouTube channel, you could then repurpose it into a blog. And this is something that we set up with our Software Finds channel. I've left a link in the description of the video, so go check that out if you want to. But there is so much that you can do with AI. A lot is possible now with the connection of Claude and Airtable. You could even bring in thumbnail generation and link it to your video records, but always be wary of the quality that is output from the AI model. Now, if you would like to learn how you can get similar systems set up, well, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Automation Helpers. I've left a link in the description of this video, which you can click to receive a free 30-minute consultation. Do so if your business is struggling, because we are eager to help.